In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use and navigate Facebook and Google for optimizing your online marketplace experience. We will specifically focus on setting up and managing ad campaigns, a crucial step for anyone looking to enhance their online visibility and reach more customers through Facebook's robust platform. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's first head over to Facebook Marketplace. You can easily find it by doing a quick Google search for Facebook Marketplace. Simply open your preferred web browser, go to the Google homepage, and type in the phrase. Hit enter and you'll see Facebook Marketplace as one of the top results. Click on that link to access the platform. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon that resembles a small gear or a setting symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to accessing and adjusting various settings that will help you manage your ad accounts more efficiently. Next, in the settings menu, you're going to see some specific sections. Make your way over to the one labeled Ad Account Contact, Ad Account Roles, and Business Payments. Clicking on this will allow you to add or edit details concerning who manages your ads and how payments are handled. It's a crucial step for organizing who has control over different aspects of your advertising operations. After you've reviewed your roles and payment settings, it's time to move on to the next tab labeled Campaigns. Hanging in the Campaigns section is where you'll create new campaigns or view existing ones. A simple click on this tab will showcase all your advertising campaigns, giving you a comprehensive look at their statuses. Now, let's set up a brand new campaign. Look for and select the Create Ad button. This action opens up a world of creative possibilities, letting you craft advertisements tailored to your audience's interests and behaviors. It's what gives life to your online promotional efforts. Continuing on, you'll need to determine the objective of your ad campaign. We recommend starting with awareness. This campaign objective is aimed at reaching a larger audience, particularly helpful for new brands looking to build a presence and make potential customers aware of their services or products. After choosing awareness, simply click on the Continue button. Doing this takes you into the more detailed steps of setting up specifics like ad format, targeting, budget, and scheduling. You're now all set up to refine these details according to your business needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively managing your ad presence on Facebook through its marketplace. With practice, these tools can significantly boost your engagement and help your business flourish online. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are key to a successful ad strategy. Thanks for joining me today and happy advertising.